I used to think real estate was a rich man's game. Then I learned I could own a slice for less than dinner.
Fractional investing is like splitting a pizza. I don't need the whole pie, just my crispy corner of profit.
Forget owning the whole house. I bought the kitchen tile and the garage door, and I still get paid. I used to think I needed to own the whole building. Then I realized sometimes a brick makes you rich. Ladies and gents, I turned $100 into rental royalty, and I didn't unclog a single toilet.
This view? Bought it with brains, not banks. Fractional investing made me a rooftop regular.
I don't chase big deals anymore. I slice them up and collect the rent like pizza night. Took $100, aimed it smart, and now I'm collecting rent while mowing 0 lawns. Fractional investing isn't small, it's scalable, like my dreams and my whiteboard. You don't need to own the whole building. I bought a slice, and now the rent slices come to me. My share? Half a window and 1 faucet. But it pays out like I own the whole penthouse. Fractional investing's like pizza. You don't need the whole pie, just 1 slice that feeds you rent every month. They said I couldn't afford real estate. I said, cool, I'll just buy a tiny chunk and make my wallet do cartwheels. Turns out, I don't need to own the building. I just own a corner of the cash flow. That's enough for freedom.
Bought 0.01% of a duplex and still made rent money. I'm not an owner. I'm a legend.
I never flipped houses. I flipped how I think about money. That one mindset shift paid for my future driveway. I used to think I needed to own the whole building. Then I realized sometimes a brick makes you rich. Started small, but think how BIG will chill.